Alright guys, I'm just doing a quick video on how to install and use DBI Backend on macOS. This allows you to install your backups without moving the files to your SD card first, so much faster and much more convenient. I'm using a M1 MacBook Air. This should work on all M-chip MacBooks or Mac computers. And I'm guessing this should work on Intel too. I haven't tested it, but if you do run into any error message, just let me know and I'll try to help you out. So the first thing we're going to need is the terminal. If you don't know where to find it, what I like is just use Spotlight to search for the app, and you should also find it in your applications folder under the utilities folder. And the other thing is we need the GitHub page. This is where we will get the commands for the setup. All links are in the description, guys. So let's scroll down to the installation section and let's scroll down some more for the macOS commands. So there it is. This is what we need, guys. So you'll notice that it's using a software called Brew to install a package called Python-tk. So you will need to install Brew first if you don't use it already. To do that, just go to brew.sh and you just copy and paste this command in your terminal. It's already done for me, so I'm not gonna do it again. But just run this, follow the instructions, and you will be good to go. Just make sure once it is done that you open up a new window or tab for your terminal. And you will know that it works when you type in brew and something comes out. So I'm gonna clear that. So once this is done, we can go back to the GitHub page and we can run the first command. So let's go ahead and do that. It's going to install the package called Python-tk. There it is, it's installed. I'm going to clear my window. And the second package we need to install is by USB, but this time it's running pip. This is the Python package manager. There's just something that's not mentioned here. If you try to run it in your macOS terminal, you're going to get this error message. And it's basically telling you that you need to create a virtual environment to install the package. I'm not going to go into the details of why. You can simply Google that, but I'm going to tell you how to do it. So let's clear that. So first thing, guys, I definitely recommend creating a work folder. I got mine, and we're going to go inside that folder. So let's type in cd, and I can just drag and drop the folder here, and there it is. As you can see, I am in my Switch video folder and I can see my games folder. And now we will create the virtual environment. So let's type in Python 3 -m venv, and then you need to call your give a name to your virtual environment. I'm just going to type in venv again. There it is. As you can see, there's a folder that got created, and we need this file right here. So what you will do now is you will type in source, and you can drag and drop again the activate file. There it is, guys. You are now in your virtual environment. You will notice once you see this in parentheses. So once this is done, we can run this command. So I'm going to copy it. Oops. So I'm going to copy it, paste it, press enter. There it is. We installed the PyUSB Python package. And that's pretty much it, guys. We're almost done. So let me just close that folder and go on the release tab. Going to scroll down, and this is what we need: DBI Backend.tar.xz. Let's download that. I like to move it to my work folder, so I'm going to put it in my games folder. And let's go in that folder. So this is what I'm going to install today, guys. It's Smash Bros. I do own the physical copy of Smash Bros, and this is my own backup. So this is not a pirated version. So we're going to extract the archive we downloaded. And there it is. This is the software that we're going to run. So let's go back to the terminal page. I'm going to go in my games folder. So cd games. And now it's time to run. So Python 3, DBI Backend, and we can drag and drop the game. There it is. If you need to install more games, you can just stack them. Just make sure to keep a space between each path. So let's press enter. And there it is. We have DBI Backend running. As you can see now, it's waiting for my Nintendo Switch. So I'm going to go on my Nintendo Switch. Obviously, guys, this requires the DBI homebrew to be installed on your Nintendo Switch. I'm guessing you know already how to install an homebrew if you're watching this video, but if you don't, just let me know and maybe I can make a video on that. So I'm going to start DBI. My Switch is connected to my laptop with USB, and in DBI, I'm going to go to install DBI Backend. And there it is. As you can see on the computer, it says entering command loop, get list. And on my Switch, I can see the file, this file basically, the Super Smash Bros. And that's it, guys. You press A, you select where you want to install it, and you install it. I'm not going to do it because it's already installed on my Switch, but that's pretty much it, guys. To me, it's the fastest way to install games and the most efficient way. So if you guys got any issues, errors, or whatever, just let me know in the comments. If you have questions, feel free to let me know. And subscribe, guys. I should do more videos on the Nintendo Switch, computer stuff, anything, macOS. So, all right. Thanks for watching.